Hey, what's up guys, it's Phil from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you how to export this scene as a video in a Blender. To do that, go to the over here output properties. Over here you can change the resolution and the aspect ratio, and of course make sure to change this frame rate to be, for example, 60 frames per second if you want the higher quality. As for the frames, you can change the frame range if you want to start from a specific range, but if you want to render the whole thing, just go from 1 to, for example, 50. Another thing to do is to select the folder you want to export your video. So click over here and go, for example, and I will choose the videos folder. If you want to export straight a video file, click over here, file format, and choose this FFmpeg video. And under the encoding, under this tab, choose the MPG4, MPEG-4, and keep this video codec and these things as it is. And just go over here, render, and render animation. And it will render the whole animation if you have it, and it will be 50 frames. Over here you can see the frames over here on the top left side. Okay, when it's done, close it, and you can see that I have now my video and it's MP4 format. And if I click play, we can see the video. It's very short because it's only 50 frames and we set it to be 60 frames per second. And this is practically it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.